Welcome to TalentSprint series on most frequently asked coding questions. In this series, we are taking a look at a variety of coding questions that have been asked in written exams as well as interviews over the years. In today's video, we are going to talk about a program that has been repeatedly asked over the years in several companies' interviews. It is swapping the value of two variables. Now, what do we mean by swapping? Let's say if x is a variable and y is a variable, x holds 10 and y holds 20. So by swapping we mean that at the end of the program, x should be holding 20 and y should be holding 10. Now the basic approach generally to do it is by using a temporary variable. The temporary variable acts as a placeholder to hold one value till you transfer the other value back. Let's take a look at the program. As you can see, we have two variables x and y. X holds 10 and y holds 20. We've also created the temp variable as the placeholder. So first we are moving x value to temp. So temp holds 10. Now since the value of x is safe, we can change the value of x and store the value of y in x. So next step is the same. Now x holds 20. Now since y value is safely stored in x, we can move the value of x to y from our temporary variable. So y is equals to temp does that, and we have y is equal to 10 at the end. So you saw how we can do this program using temporary variable. But generally in interviewers, this question is a bit tweaked to ask without using the temporary variable. Now without using the temporary variable, if you want to swap two variables, then the basic concepts of addition and subtraction come into play. Let's see how we do it. We have taken the same example of x 10 and y 20. Let's see how the addition subtraction come into play. So the first step, we are storing x plus y in the variable x. So x now holds 30. In the second step, we are storing x minus y in y, which means 30 minus 20. So now y has 10. And as the final step, we store x minus y in x, that is 30 minus 10. So as you see that by the end of the program, we have y is equals to 10 and x is equals to 20. These questions have become so mundane over the years that every student preparing for a written exam or interview is aware of questions like this, but they are still dragged on. We talked to our expert, Mr. Ashokan, to understand why questions like this are still asked in interviews and what the interviewer is actually looking for when he is asking questions like this. You can watch the video to understand all these things and get some few more pointers from our technical expert Ashokan. We'll take a look at many more interesting questions like this in our upcoming videos. So please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, please drop us a mail at the email ID. Thank you and happy coding.